we're back, of course.
We lied. We're back.
Well, here's the thing, okay? His mom is in many of the Disney groups, and she told us they just opened up a new day, some more days.
We released some reservations.
And that was for the 12th. And today, everything is supposed to be up and full blown.
It's officially Christmas at Disneyland.
Full blown, full swing Christmas. So
and
we're gonna get the churro. We're gonna get some new treats, and hopefully there'll be some fireworks.
There should be fireworks. It's a little breezy today, but if this dies down, they for sure will have fireworks. But I know it's probably a new show that they're gonna do at 9 o'clock because it's Christmas time. So hopefully we get to catch that. And yes, thanks Mom for telling me about those open dates.
Thank you. We're really excited to be here today.
As soon as I made that reservation and I got home an hour later, they were all gone, and there were at least 5 or 6 open dates. So, yeah, you just gotta be on it. If you're a Magic Key holder, you just gotta keep going on there almost every day just to see. Well, this is exactly what I'm talking about. Look at this. Look at all this blue stuff. Look at all this extra money this guy spent on this crap. Instead of spending money on the park, he spent money to make the park blue and advertise Disney Plus. I'm sorry.
Everyone's well, let's take pictures with the Disney Plus.
Yeah. I don't know. I'm just these things really upset me a little bit because the park needs work. It doesn't need blue carpet. I see ropes out. I see people sitting. You know what that means? That means there's a parade coming around. Wow. Wow. There's the tree.
Give me mac and cheese.
Art at work. Art at work. It's crazy to see all these people sitting down waiting for a parade. It's kind of crazy. I'm glad they're bringing them back. This is the first parade they've had since the park is opened up. So I think we're gonna have to check it out.
But if they are,
give you a little peek.
This is the pink coconut churro. She said the pink is just coconut, and then this is chocolate marshmallow dipping sauce.
Energy from the crowd. I don't know this cow's name, so maybe you guys can help me out. What's her name? Comment down below if you know her name. It's not over yet. Oh man, that cotton candy is calling my name. I haven't got cotton candy since Knott's Berry Farm.
Happy holidays, everyone.
Wasn't this unexpected?
It was, but we came at the right time, it looks like.
We walked in right when the parade was gonna start.
Yeah, like, all right, let's go get a churro because I don't think the line should be as long. And then he rushed over here, and then I came shortly after.
Oh, here comes the Cinderella
Yeah.
sisters.
The beast.
present report. What's Santa delivering this year? Just look at this Yuletide celebration. Very impressive.
Almost over.
Peace and love. Oh, yeah. Hello, sweetheart. Yes, happy birthday. Yes, wonderful. You've grown up so much. Don't be in a big hurry to grow up. Santa never was. Hello, everybody. Do you know the words to Jingle Bells? I bet you do. Ayaka does. Everyone sing along.
All right, we could finally eat our churro.
Cold. It's alright, though.
So like I said, that's a chocolate marshmallow sauce or dip. Or
It's
whatever.
marshmallow.
Dipping sauce.
Oh.
Oh, careful.
I taste a hint of the coconut. It's at the end though. I don't get why it's pink.
Yeah, I thought they would have something red or green or related to
Yeah.
Christmas.
Cinnamon or
We were
peppermint.
even guessing what it might be, like something peppermint or something cinnamon, but it's just coconut with chocolate marshmallow dipping sauce.
I think I'd rather have just a normal churro. That's messy. Should we have ate that earlier?
I mean, we got to get the parade. That was amazing. Did you guys enjoy that? Especially the one with the toy soldiers. That was the neatest float I've ever seen.
It's the Mark Twain. There's the sun. That popcorn smells delicious. You guys like to go on that Mark Twain?
I've never been on it.
I have been on it a long time ago when I was yay big. Yay big. Can't even see my hand, it's down there.
They're still working on Tarzan.
Tarzan's treehouse. 35-minute wait for
Pilots.
pirates. I think we're gonna go do Haunted Mansion. We're still kind of full.
We'll see how short that one is.
All the things that they've been working on since Magic Keys started, and it doesn't look like there's any progress really. But they have blue carpet in the front. Disney CEO, peace out.
Whew, you guys already know. Gotta get our fill up for the evening.
Everybody knows about it now.
Oh, I know. It's free water. You don't have to pay $5 or $6 for a small bottle of water that you have to like try to share with your group, you know?
Adam, right here. Adam.
And it's pretty good water too. We saw a little girl on that boat one time we were here, and she was waving at everyone. She's like, "Hi everyone, I'm on a boat."
It was more cute than funny. It made you smile for sure. To be a kid.
Yeah.
I wish it was me.
I'm on the boat. This is our spot. No one can come here. Oh, someone's coming. Tell them to go away.
Go away.
Before we came in here, we had a pretty late lunch. We ate at Tortilla Joe's. It's right
Downtown Disney.
yeah, downtown Disney. I had the ceviche and he had a carnitas burrito. Definitely recommend the carnitas burrito. It's very flavorful. 2 people can share it. The ceviche, I do not recommend. Don't do it.
It was not fresh fish. It was a little fishy. And there's shrimp in it, which I usually don't get shrimp in my fish ceviche. Smells.
I just feel like it was a lot more of the juice than shrimp and fish in that small bowl.
The pumpkin king. Oh, there you go. Be careful what you wish for.
Well,
At least it smells better here.
let's go party, guys. Let's go dance down there with them. They need to work on it.
I think they need to work on a lot of things here, but let's spend money on Disney Plus.
And there be plundering pirates lurking in them.
All these people are already getting ready for the fireworks show.
Galactic Grill right now. We feel like a cold brew, and Glen's just looking through the app and he sees this, a caramel pecan brownie parfait. It looks very holiday, very festive. I think we're gonna check it out. We're gonna see how it is.
Yep.
Got rid of the summer slushies, and now they have the peppermint mocha frappe.
Holiday.
Frozen coffee with peppermint chocolate topped with whipped cream and crushed peppermint candies.
Yum.
1 hour later.
Man, ordering anything special, just be ready, okay? The good thing is, I waited patiently, and they gave me an extra parfait on accident. I didn't say anything because they made me wait. But we got the specialty burger. I hope it's good.
And they're also out of the cold brew. We really wanted some cold brew, and it came out like practically water.
Yeah.
It was watered down, but we got the specialty burger, which is Angus beef and sausage.
Like some bell pepper, some sort. I don't want to touch it.
Yeah.
Come on, wash my hands. Looks like arugula. Not bad. The burger's not dry. It kind of reminds me of kind of like the, what do they call that, Californian burger at Carl's Jr.
Oh, the All-American burger that's not there anymore?
Yeah.
Really?
It's good though, not bad.
Nice.
It's not bad. Sorry. The trifecta. They're French fries. They're not bad.
It's good. It has the like a barbecue sauce in there. It definitely does remind me of the All-American burger that Carl's Jr. used to have. It's not bad. It's good. I like it. I can see why they ran out of that. Love the bell peppers in there. It's a nice roasted taste. It's very good.
White chocolate. Oh. White chocolate. Ooh. I try to get a little bit of everything in there. I think I got it. Buttercream. I don't know if I like the topping. It's not like sweet. More like a whipped cream, but it's all right. I was expecting a little more of a sweetness to it. It's not bad, so I guess if you're looking for something that's not completely sweet, get this. The pecans are really good. I like those pecans.
What's better?
Oh, dark by chocolate for sure.
I wish that was like a peppermint type.
It should, huh?
Yeah, it should.
It's not very Christmassy.
No.
It's just decorated Christmassy.
Yeah.
Right?
That pecan middle, very good. It's okay. I mean, it does not beat dark by chocolate at all, but it's okay. So the bottom is actually the best part. I really like it. It's very moist. with the nuts.
Moist nuts.
That is my favorite part about it. It's very good.
Bottom part's pretty good. I guess I finished it.
Yeah.
The bottom part's a lot sweeter than the top part.
I was just expecting peppermint. I don't know, like something seasonal.
Anything seasonal.
You know, like where's that?
Doesn't have to be peppermint.
Christmassy.
Maybe eggnog. I don't know.
Or cinnamon or something.
All right, look at that. Near. We're going there.
That's Small World?
That's Small World.
No way.
Yep. What do you guys think? Should they get rid of Autopia or at least make it so it's not so much exhaust? Oh my gosh, it's snowing. Falling fountain.
It reminds me of champagne.
Champagne Falls.
Came over here because obviously the castle, everyone and the mama is at the castle and it's pretty chaotic. Let us know if you like to post up anywhere else in Disneyland. We're here at Galaxy's Edge and it was a pretty good show.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. catch.
Yeah, we didn't know they're gonna do a show like that. So if you come to Disneyland right now, come down to It's a Small World and check out the show that they have going on. To the fireworks show, come down this way and see that show. They do it, I think, I noticed everybody was over here sitting down for a while, so they probably do it every hour, every couple hours or so. So you can check it out on the app.
If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.
Don't be afraid to leave us a comment. Stay tuned for our next video coming up. Thanks for watching.
See you guys.
Cheers.